Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. Mr. Webtalk with you. I invite everyone to join Webtalk. This is a new social network and new opportunity for business and education. And everybody is able to make money here. I suppose if you are watching the video, you have already joined Webtalk, and my congrats. You are a Webtalker now. Here are 2 simple steps left to start make money and practice English. As you see, our profile is almost empty. It is a little bit difficult to use it now. It is difficult to understand how it works. There are no people, no groups where you can go. How to interact with others? Nothing is clear. First, you need to complete your profile before you can find friends. This won't take long. Then you can take advantage of the Other Words program. It will take just few minutes. On the right hand side, you can see a small box which will tell you how much of your profile you have filled out. Click the line that tells you to complete your profile, and it will tell you what needs to be done. Just click the pencil on each section to fill out that part. Write as much or as little as you like. You can always edit later if you don't like what you have written. Next, click to save each section. When you have written each section, you just need to upload a photo to finish. Click the box where your photo will go, and this allows you to browse the photos on your own device. To choose one and click Done. Your profile is now 80% completed. The only thing left to do is follow 10 people. Go to my page. You will find me in your followers list. On the right hand side, you can see who I recommend. Click on See More Recommendations. And then click Follow on at least 10 people. You are now completely finished. Let's check it. To get back to your page, click Menu and click your name. You will see everything is completed. Congrats! You will see my next video coming very soon, where you will learn how to join the Other Words program. Thanks for watching. Share the video please, subscribe to my channel. Bye for now, see you!